Welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. In this video, we're diving into a core concept that every aspiring data professional must master: array-oriented programming using NumPy. We'll also explore conditional logic with arrays, statistical methods, Boolean array operations, sorting and set logic like finding unique values, all without writing clunky Python loops. Let's dive in. Array-oriented programming with NumPy vectorization equals fast loop-free computing. Import NumPy as np points equals np arrange minus 550.01 xs ys equals np mesh grid points z equals np sqrt xs asterisk node 2 plus ys node 2. Visualize it with matplotlib. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. I am show zcmap equals gray, plt.colorbar, plt title, square root, x squared plus y squared, grid visualization, plt show. Why it matters? Much faster than nested for loops, ideal for numerical data. Conditional logic with arrays replace slow Python logic with NP, where xr equals NP array 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. yar equals NP array 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. cond equals NP array. True, false, NP, where cond xar yar set conditionally randn33 NP, where r greater than 0, 1, minus 1. It displays array minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. Mathematical and statistical methods, aggregate operations. Data equals NP random. randn 54, print, data.mean, print data.sum, axis equals 0, hash column-wise print, data.mean, axis equals 1, hash row-wise cumulative stats, arr equals np array, 0, 1, 2, 3, arr.comsum, arr.comprod. Use cases, running totals, moving averages. Methods for Boolean arrays work directly with conditions. Data equals np random. randn 100 positive equals data greater than 0 print. Positive.sum, hash count positives print. np.any positive, hash, at least one true print. np.all positive, hash all true. It displays 52 true-false, super useful in filtering, quality checks, and data cleaning. Sorting arrays: sort values in place or return sorted copy. RARR equals NP random. RANDN 6, arrange by sort, hash in place NP sort rows or columns. Mat equals NP random. RANDN 33, mat.sort, axis equals 1, hash row wise sort. Use NP argsort to get the index positions for sorting. Names equals NP array A, C, B. Data equals NP array 3, 1, 2. Sorted underscore data equals data NP argsort names. Unique and set logic find unique values. AR equals NP array 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. NP unique. ARR. Set operations. A equals NP array, apple, banana, cherry. B equals NP array, banana, date, print. NP intersect 1 D A B. Hash common print. NP set diff 1 D A B. Hash in A not in B print. NP union 1 D A B. Hash all unique. It displays banana, apple, cherry. Apple, banana, cherry, date. Great for comparing columns, filtering categories, or deduplicating data. That's it. You've just learned how to write clean, fast, and powerful code using NumPy's array-oriented programming model. These techniques are essential for real-world data processing, machine learning, and analytics at scale. At Neural Tech, we offer industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job-ready skills and real-world results. Visit our website to learn more.